What's up, SHIB Army? Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I want to talk about where we are now after the SHIB pump. And this is looking identical to what happened back in June, which I love to see, at least right now, 2 days after the big move upwards. And I'm liking where we are. I'm going to show you why here in just a little bit. We're also going to break down an article that's talking about the sentiment around Shiba Inu, also around Shiba Inu whales, and also take a look at the overall crypto market cap. All in this video. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And let's not waste any more time. So I want to start over on TradingView, guys. And see, right here, this was June 21st. This is when SHIB went off the first time, at least in the last couple months, okay? So this big green candlestick was followed by a red candlestick and then a couple green. Here's day 3 of that green candlestick, right? Look what's happening here. It looks very similar to what happened here, right? Now, what followed after the big pump in June was just a nice couple months of consolidation, actually slightly moving up, but really a lot of trading sideways, positive price action, just kind of getting us ready for that next leg up. Now, will we see that again from Shiba Inu after this pop? Well, so far we are seeing a very similar thing play out afterwards. This is what we saw after June. We actually saw another run up. We tested it up there, and then we came back down, tested it a couple more times throughout the last couple months before we broke out of this range. Will we see that again? That is what I'm looking to see. Of course, a lot of this could be impacted by the Ethereum merge as well. If that goes extremely well, don't be surprised if SHIB takes another leg up. All right, so let's jump into this article. Shiba Inu whales abruptly come to life as SHIB rallies 34% in just one day. Analytics firm Sentiment gives us some great insight here. According to a new post, the data aggregator points out that whales abruptly came out of slumber on August 14th and executed the largest number of transactions worth more than 100,000 in the last 4 months. So they came in and bought in droves, 433 transactions valued at 100,000 plus. Again, the most of those transactions with that dollar value in the last 4 months. Now, the recent rally helped propel SHIB to the number 12 spot on the largest digital assets by market cap. We can see that by heading over to CoinMarketCap. Look at that. Shiba Inu is actually trending as well right now. But SHIB's still in number 12. Over Avalanche and Polygon, sitting at an $8.7 billion market cap. Crypto intelligence firm Into the Block, which we look at quite a bit here on this channel, provides even more granular data about SHIB, noting that 60% of the holders are currently underwater, with only 35% sitting on unrealized gains. Although this number may seem low to you, it has been increasing dramatically during this last big price pop. An additional 5% are about even on their investment. Looking at the concentration of large Shiba Inu holders, whales and investors who own at least 0.1% of the altcoin supply dominate, holding 81% of the SHIB in circulation. And then they also go over the holders' composition by time held. 28% of people now holding it by 1 year or more. Now, before we transition to the next portion of the video that I want to talk about and where we go next with Shiba Inu, just a quick word from today's sponsor of the video. It is FairDesk. I'll be right back. We are inside the FairDesk website, and I'm going to take you around here a little bit and show you a little bit about this platform and also talk about what they do and where they specialize. So first and foremost, this is called the Fortune Spin. Very cool. You can actually win USDT here. So I'm going ahead and going to give a first spin. I've never done this before. I've already participated. It's under the Arena V2, Arena 2.0 tab here on their website, right up here on the top bar. Discover your next adventure, best rewards ever. So we're going to go ahead and give it a single spin here, and let's see what happens. What do we get? All right, there we go. We just won 50 cents there, and look at that. We just won 50 cents. Now we can go inside their derivatives exchange, and that's what FairDesk is. They were founded with the mission of providing a fairer, safer, more efficient crypto derivatives exchange at lowest cost. And they have a very much forward-looking company focus on building a platform that enables traders to go both long and short. Many people out there asking how to get into this game. You get profit from both Bitcoin and or other cryptocurrencies from going up and down. Of course, we've been in a downtrend here overall in 2022 with leverage up to 125x. As always, be very careful with leverage trading. However, if this is something that interests you, look no further than Fairdesk. They stand for transparency, trust, security, and lower costs. And they come with the mission of providing, again, a fairer, safer, and cost-efficient trading service to their clients. You can connect with their team right here on the website. They've got a great following here on Twitter, 66.5K followers. Very, very cool. So, by the way, this function here that we went over before is just now available on August 4th. The Arena 2.0 function, and you can use real funds or coupons to play. And how to get a coupon? By trading for every $8,000 worth of trade volume. The user will get one free spin. That is, of course, you. All of the rules and stipulations are down here at the bottom of the page. So that is Fairdesk. Very happy to be partnered up with them this month here in August. Check them out. I'll leave a link down below in the description. Go over there and get started, and let me know in the comments here what you won with your free spin. Thanks so much for popping in. Now back to the video. Okay, so Shiba Inu was trying to break out of that 12.8 range. It tried to knock on the door 4 different times, okay? It made 4 attempts at breaking out from that descending resistance line. While all of them had been unsuccessful, the price is gearing up for maybe yet another run, okay? This article just coming out 2 hours ago. There seems to have been a resistance area at the 12.8, which is likely to support if a retracement does occur, right? Because resistance does turn into support. Now, cryptocurrency trader Alt Street Bet tweeted a chart of SHIB stating that the price is in the process of completing wave 4, okay, where he says the most likely wave count does indicate that SHIB is in the wave 3 of a 5-wave upward movement. The subwave count is given in the yellow, okay? So he sees this eventually breaking all the way out to the 2269 level, which is absolutely insane, right? We just saw this breakout right here, and he believes maybe a little bit of a retracement, and then boom, here we go back to the upside and maybe breaking into the 2s. If the count is correct, it would suggest that the price will break out from the aforementioned resistance line during wave 3. Afterward, it will validate it at support, as support during wave 4 prior to resuming its upward movement. So we'll see if this ends up coming to fruition. But no matter what, you guys know how I feel about Shiba Inu long term. Very, very bullish on it long term. It's one of my top holdings, and I'll continue to add to my position if and when it does dip down below current support levels. So thank you so much for popping in. Let me know what you think about SHIB, where we're heading next. And I'm excited about where this market is right now. It feels like we're turning the corner. It really does, with the Ethereum merge coming around the bend and Shiba Inu doing Shiba Inu things. So thanks so much for popping in, guys. Appreciate it. Cheers. And I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.